Hey, Motorman here, and I told you about a week. I'll start again. Hey, Motorman here, and about a week ago I told you I was getting some exhaust for this Fat Boy, and generally I get tab mufflers because I love the sound and the quality of those mufflers. But unfortunately for this 2015, they no longer make mufflers for this bike. So I looked around and I happened to find American Customs. Now, this is a company that takes your stock exhaust, modifies it, and they don't just drill it out. They put baffles in. In fact, you have a choice of 3 different types of baffles. So take a look at this. I like the stock look of the mufflers on this motorcycle, so this worked out really well. It sounds great. Fits, of course, just like stock because it is the stock mufflers. They're drilled out and baffles are put in. If you just drill out these mufflers with no baffles, you're going to lose a lot of low-end torque. And remember, I mentioned that on this particular model, and I believe quite a few of the older Softails, is very difficult to get these bolts back in to get the mufflers on. So I drilled the holes out, and that made it quite a bit easier. I was able to do it. Without drilling the holes out, I would imagine you're going to have a problem because the bolts are way back under here. You can't even see them to get to them, and you got to do it really blinded. But if you drill those holes out, it gives you a little bit more room to get that screw in or that bolt in and tighten it with your fingers. So I'm going to let you hear what this sounds like. Now, the best part of American Customs exhaust is that the exhaust is tuned, but it's going to cost you a lot less money than if you went out and bought slip-on mufflers. These start, I believe, about $164. That's if you send them your own pipes. They send them back to you modified. You got choices of baffles if you want it quieter, medium. These are the baffles that it comes with, so I guess they consider these loud. I don't think it's too loud. It's only loud when you throttle it, and that's the way it should be. So save a bunch of money. Also, you can get the pipes from them and put them on your bike and then send your pipes back to them for, I think it's a $75 core charge. But check out the website. That's American Custom Exhaust or AmericanCustom.com.